Welcome to maths class here, teacher Black Adam. So we have dimension of 14, perimeter of 14, and you have to fence using a wall, and then you want the dimension of the largest rectangle you can enclose. So let's assume this is the wall. We don't know whether it should be vertical favored or horizontal favored. Yeah, this is the wall there, and that's the width, and that is, that's the width, length, width, and then length the side. So you have let L is equals to X, and then you have W is equals to Y, and then the perimeter there. The perimeter is going to be that's X. So you're going to have, that's the wall, then you have 2X plus Y to give you 14. So solving for Y, because you need to put in terms of one term, so you need to put, let's say, Y. Solving for Y there is going to be 14 minus 2x. So now coming to the area of a rectangle is length times width, that's xy. So xy we know is 14 minus 2x. So that's what we have. So that's going to give us 14x minus 2x squared. Okay, so when you multiply the length and width, so that gives us in the quadratic form, standard form, that's negative 2x squared plus 14x. Now we have to draw the quadratic. We just assume it's something like that, and then that's your y-axis, your x-axis, and that is your turning point. So your turning point there is your max. So we need to solve for the turning point, which is your max. Okay, so your max will be at x is equals to, it's negative b over 2a. That is if you don't want to complete the square. So a is going to be negative 2, b is 14, c there, you can just put 0 there. So that's going to be 0. Now that is negative 14 over 2 bracket. Our a is negative 2, so we just factor that. Could I say 2 into negative 7 over, that's already 2 into negative 2. The 2 cancels out, so you have negative is positive, so it's 7 over 2. So that's x. Okay, so 7 divided by 2, that's going to be 3.5. So that means it's 3.5. Alright, so that's your value for x. And we also know from the perimeter equation that y is going to be 14 minus 2x, and so y is equals to 14 minus 2x. So that's going to be 14 minus 2 into 3.5, and you know that 2 times 5, 3.5 times 2, that's 7. So that's 14 minus 7 is 7. So that's it. Our length will be 7 meter, our width will be 3.5. So let's risk sketch the measurement. So the measurement now will be, you have the wall there. Okay, so the wall will be part of the height, and then you have the base there, which is the 3.5 there, making 7, and the other side is going to be 7 meter. So that's our answer, and that's it. So your maximum dimension will be 7 multiplied by 3.5. Thank you for watching.